To access and use Creative Studio in Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra, first of all, we'll need to get our Edge panel. That is the easiest way to access this app, so let's move into the display options for our device and then find the Edge panel. Now make sure that your Edge panel is active, and then you can swipe it from the left or right side like this. Now if you don't see the Creative Studio icon, you need to click on this pen icon, then navigate to the three dots and here activate Creative Studio. That way, if we open our Edge panel again, it should be here. We can click on it to open it, and then we can create all sorts of AI art. So we can go for create stickers, invitations, greetings, and etc. So choose whichever option you like, choose whichever style you like, and then you can generate whatever thing you want by describing it. Or if you chose a drawing option, you can also draw an image with a simple pen, and then it will be generated into a sticker or something else. And that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching.